Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add dependencies in monday.com. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, select on the project where you want to add dependencies. Now in here, just click on this plus sign button to add in a column. After that, just go and search for dependencies. Then select it. Once you've selected it, you can choose a dependency mode, whether flexible, strict, or no action. I'm gonna choose inflexible. Now, choose a column for item dependencies, and you can also go ahead and create a new one. Once everything is done, just go and save it to apply the changes. Now that you have your dependency, you can now click on this plus sign. Then, select an item to connect it. For here, I'm going to select on this one. You can also choose in from finish to start, start to finish, and such. Once done, you can now see your dependency. Now that you have dependencies, this will help you keep tasks in the right order, automatically adjust timelines if something is delayed, and avoid confusion about when things should start. Now, to see how tasks are connected, you can go and click on this plus sign button to add in a view on the upper ribbon. Then, choose on Gantt. Now you will see your dependencies so you can plan smarter and manage your project more efficiently. And that's just basically it. That's how you add dependencies on monday.com. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.